Add salt to the fabric softener and create a mixture that will solve many problems in your home. It's a simple trick worth trying. Start with a tall container, preferably from a drink, and pour in the fabric softener. It has softening properties, which help the other ingredients mix easily. Add 2 scoops of any liquid, then pour in 300 milliliters of room temperature water. The water will help the ingredients combine well. The next ingredient is vinegar. 300 milliliters of vinegar will help dissolve limescale, has antibacterial properties, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Finally, add a tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove tough stains. Mix everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Pour the finished mixture into an empty dispenser bottle for easy application. This combination works wonderfully for cleaning various surfaces in your home, from the sink and countertops to the toilet. Just a little bit of the solution and a sponge is enough to achieve amazing cleanliness. You'll see that you don't need expensive chemicals to quickly and effectively remove dirt.